The portable electric breast pump is perfect for mothers who are always on the go. Before using the pump, thoroughly clean all disassembled parts. To disassemble, remove the bottle stand from the bottle. Pull out the flange from the main body and remove the Comfort Proper Fit flange from the flange. Remove the bottle from the main body. Gently pull out the silicone valve. Take off the motor and soft cup from the main body. To assemble, follow these steps. Attach the soft inner cup to the main body. Align the triangular symbols on the motor and the main body. Turn the motor to the right to lock it down to the main body. Hold the base of the silicone valve and place it onto the main body. Turn the bottle to attach it to the main body. Attach the Comfort Proper Fit flange cover to the flange. Secure the flange to the main body and push it all the way in. Press the bottle into the stand and you're ready to use it. You can either use the pump with batteries or with an AC adapter. The Portable Electric Breast Pump by Pigeon.